So as you can see, I finished my last cross, middle-sized cross, but I finished it and I left the small size cross completely untouched, just like what I did at the beginning of this row. The first cross, I didn't touch it. I started from the second cross, and this by doing this, I'm gonna repeat the same thing. So I'm gonna leave the last cross untouched, and now I'm making sure that everything is fine and there is no loose pearls or loose threads between the pearls, just like what I did on the first row. Okay, before securing the last cross, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing that I did on the first one. I'm gonna go in a whole circle or round the last cross and make sure it's strong enough, and in the same time I'm gonna make several knots, like about 4 knots with this thread. Make sure it's like very secure before cutting everything and using the lighter, just like I did on the first last cross. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here. So have fun watching, and I'm gonna see you soon in the next chapter.